How Hi. Hello, and welcome to Paperless Playhouse. This is my fifth and final project for the Flatiron School software engineering program, and I'm really excited about it because this is not just my graduation project, but it's actually kind of the project that got me into programming. I've been in theater for a long time, and a few years ago, I started seeing attempts at going digital with playbills, but I have yet to see an implementation of it that I really loved. A lot of it was passing the audience out sheets of paper with instructions on how to download a PDF on their phone, so you were still using paper anyway, and the PDF was not really conducive to getting that information, and I felt like it could be done better, so I thought I'd take my own shot at it. So this logo here, that's the real logo of my actual website, paperlessplayhouse.com, where I've just been doing for free, just to kind of play with the idea, digital programs for people using HTML and CSS and coding it by hand, and then giving them a link and a QR code that they can use to get to it. And so that's been fun, and people seem to like it, but I'd really love it if I could automate the process a little bit so that people could do it themselves. And then when they have something they like, then all they have to do is have that hosted temporarily. So below the logo, we have a super simple version of what that dashboard could be like for a user to make their own digital program and edit it until they're ready to host it. So here's my playbills. I'm starting with Romeo and Juliet, just a good classic. And I'm gonna switch to a view that mimics a smartphone actually, because that's how most people would be interacting with a view of the program. So it announces itself as a preview, but this is more or less the setup. There's formatting that obviously could happen, but it's still a pretty easy, user-friendly way of going through this information. It's readable. And so if I decide I want to edit, uh, probably not true that you'll never see the ending coming, so I'll just say it's a classic. And I'll also add a new credit. Uh, I'll put me in there. I'll make myself the stage manager because we already have a Romeo and a Juliet. And I'll keep my bio short. And so yeah, so if we come back, see, there I am on the production team. And if you scroll to the end, I'm included in the bios, such as it is. If I want to totally start from scratch, oh, I should have just gone to start new playbill. But I can create a new playbill here. Here, I'm actually going to leave the cell phone view here. So I'll do my cats, Loki and Baby Yoda. And I cheated. I kind of had a little bio ready for the show notes. And there, now it appears as one of the playbills that I can take a look at, and I'll skip straight to the edit view. And I need to add credits, so I can put in Loki, and she's in the cast. She'll be playing herself, and she's perfect for the role. And so if I view that, it's there now. But then I decide that, oh yeah, we also need Baby Yoda. Also herself, and she is also, well, whatever, we'll keep it. So they'll keep populating. When I add a director or a writer, they'll show up near the top around here. If I decide that probably no one's going to want to watch a show about my cats, I can just delete. And we're back to just Romeo and Juliet. So that's basically how it would work. Thank you for watching.